有人
Go.
I think it was so heavy with me not using my real name that I truly was associated with it for most of my childhood. I think I used nicknames even at school.
This my baby.
I am?
And ain't nobody finna touch
I
it.
know. I ain't no baby.
Decided to come over for the first time ever.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme!
Ela foi, vai, vai!
So I was always told that because it's long and unwieldy. Oh wait, they called your full name with last name because there was other people in your class? What? You usually try to like find No Japanese. Well, there is Japanese there. Let's see that. They always call me by my only by the last name. Oh, that's sad. But I like your last name. High school. Oh my god. Oh god. I can't imagine people who are in the same class for 12 years. That just seems impossible. Context, I switched classes every 2 years because my other mom
que me ponga algo para que yo empiece a facturar. Porque yo tampoco voy a ir a trabajar en un supermercado, o sea, no hay forma, ¿me entendés? Porque él no me crió para eso.
Post a video that made you go viral.
Trip having a bit of a bureaucratic problem. It's me. I have a hard time doing any paper.
Mimi!
I haven't gone to work in a while because it's so weird. Like when I'm not streaming, I feel like a detective. And then as soon as I turn the camera on, I'm like, I switch, like flip a switch and I feel very happy and excited because I'm fun. I'm having fun. This is fun. But the rest of the time is not really working out for me. And so talking to someone who started later than me and is already like way further with all the things that I would like to have would make me very context. hope you never lose the passion for streaming. The thing with streaming is, which is why I'm so amazed by it, I think it's the first hobby where I feel like everything that I like doing is in there, and also I can switch things up so much. I can switch things up so much that I don't think I can get bored of it because there's just everything in there. I have like a million games in my head that I'm already doing a few of them, like karaoke, video games, having my own Minecraft server was a giant like wish for me that I've now fulfilled. Then I have some other, you know, the other artworks, the outfits. I have some other plans, some
Got it!
Gaming, singing, talking, especially. It's all the things that I like to do. So that's also very interesting because they used to be Prussian German, basically German colonists. I'll tell you my other one when I send home address. Heck yeah! Yay, Doxing! I know a lot of people's names, and I do find it cute that sometimes I'm like, oh, that's how they.
Bırakma tut şunu.
But you know, in the weirdest ways, like it's very abbreviated and stuff like that. And I don't think I've ever